Hola, hola, hola. Welcome back to Lucian in Kitchen. Did you miss me? I know you guys miss me. I know you guys miss me because you guys miss me so much that one of my subscribers sent me money to buy ingredients to make a video. So, I have to be the good Lucian in the kitchen and make a video. Stay tuned. Welcome back. I hope you learned something today. Oh yeah, I got a new beard too, yeah. Lucian in the kitchen. I'm here today. I'm in the office today. Okay? You see? I'm in the kitchen. Stay tuned, yeah? Like the title said. We're doing some soup. Hey guys, you see, look. Beef soup, you see? Beef is already marinated. This is my ingredients, you know, some sweet potato, some zucchini, some peppers, you know, some potatoes. Stay tuned, yeah? I'm gonna process all this and see you soon. Oh, and I got pumpkin over there too. Stay tuned. Yes, guys, look. Everything has been processed, you know. We have our zucchini, potato, and sweet potato. This is not a carrot. It looks like carrot, but it's actually sweet potato. No carrot. Oh, I gotta put some carrot in. Sorry, yeah. I gotta put some carrot after. I don't really like carrot in my soup, but yeah, I'm gonna put some carrot. Sweet potato, Irish potato, zucchini. And as you can see, yeah, I skipped a little process. In here we have onions, garlic, pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper, orange pepper, and of course pumpkin. See the pumpkin? Okay, Debbie, you wanted soup? Here you go. This video was sponsored by Debbie. Thank you, Miss Debbie. You put me back in the kitchen. Too bad you can't get to taste it, unfortunately, but you get to see how it's made. Okay, look. Pumpkin, garlic, onion, sweet peppers. Alright, let that do its thing, yeah? Beef soup, loading. Lucian in the kitchen, look. Alright, this has to boil and do its stuff. And then we add this. And of course, you saw the beef, it's already marinated. I hope you learned something today. I skipped a little few steps because nowadays I kind of sell the food and I cannot be putting all of my recipes and ingredients on YouTube because competitors can see what I do and do what I do. My flavors are unique, so I skipped some steps, but you still know the ingredients. Lucian in the kitchen, yeah? I hope you learned something today. Stay tuned. Look at the zucchini, look at the sweet potato, and look at this crispy looking potato. Stay tuned. Lucian in the kitchen. Yes, guys, it's time for the beef because the beef is gonna take longer than the veggies to cook, so I'm gonna put the beef in first with the pumpkin and everything else. Stir it up a bit. Wow, pot feels full. See that? Beef goes in because the beef gonna take a bit longer to cook than the veggies. So I put the beef in first with the pumpkin and the onions. I'm gonna go wash this up and pour the rest in here. Stay tuned. Beef soup. Beef and vegetable soup. Look, Campbell's got nothing on us today. Campbell's ain't got nothing on me. Look at that. Look at the beef. Big beef. Yo, can you find a big piece of beef chunk like this in Campbell's? No. Campbell's got nothing on us today. Look. Lucian in the kitchen. Beef soup. I might add some dumplings in there, but my pan's kind of full, so I don't think I need any dumplings, but we shall see, yeah? Stay tuned. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. Now it's time for the veggies. Look at the beef. Now it's time for veggies. My pot is looking like it's too small, you know. I hope I don't overload it. Veggies have landed. Veggies have landed. I'm gonna stir it up. Look, you see? Zucchini, sweet potato, Irish potato, beef, pumpkin, garlic, onion, scallion, thyme. What else is in there? What I forget? Garlic. And of course, love. Look, I'm adding the love now. Look. Love and sweat. See? Let me write an L for you. L. O. See? V. And E. Okay? Love. I draw a hat now. See? Love. Lucian in the kitchen. Love soup. We're gonna call this one love soup, okay? Thank you for our sponsors. Thank you for Debbie for sponsoring this video. Thank you for Debbie and Al for sponsoring this video. I wish you guys could taste it, but you could get to see how I made it and try it yourself. Lucian in the kitchen. Stay tuned. Final product coming soon. Yes, guys, look at that. You see? Our soup is finally orange. Look at that. Campbell's has nothing on us. Look at that. Potato flowing. Sweet potato, white potato, zucchini, beef. I don't even have to stir it. You can see it. You see that? Look at that. I don't even have to stir it, but I'll give it a little stir for you. Almost there, guys. Almost there. Lucian in the kitchen. Love soup. Too bad you can't taste this soup. This soup is so amazing. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. I made a video for you too. You're gonna watch on YouTube. I said your name a million times. I said you sponsored the video. You sponsored the soup. You brought me back in the kitchen. Look at your product. This is what you made me go do. Yes, folks. So I didn't think my soup had enough stuff. So I'm gonna add some quinoa macaroni. See? Quinoa macaroni. Macaroni cooks quick, so put it in last. Quinoa macaroni. Lucian in the kitchen. Yes, folks. Soup is ready. Soup is done. Time to serve. Boom. See that? Lucian in the kitchen. Soup. Love soup.